Well, what do you think your Christian name was?
I'm dying. To suck some big dick. I want to get a patent.
What? Which one?
I want George Foreman's help. I was promised a patent 70 dicks and 5 balls ago. If I smell him one more time, bushy rim jobs, my balls will explode. And if my balls explode, dip my ass in honey.
I appreciate that right there.
Get you just to get up my room. You goddamn son of a bitch. Yeah, your dick ain't black no way. You old sheriff snake.
You know, I thought you were cool, old man.
I want my patent.